Man, you out here early. Gotta get it, man. You know these niggas be hating on old Cody, man. They ain't ready for me, man. I'm a vet in the game, man. Jay, you know we created this. They still in the matrix.
Coming with this heat.
Twano,
Wake up with different emotions. Every day that you get up, you gotta stay focused. Motherfuckers out here, they'll turn you ferocious. Only thing that you tryna do is really stay focused. Yeah, dealing with different emotions. Every day that you wake up, you gotta stay focused. Motherfuckers out here make you turn ferocious. Only thing that you tryna do is really stay focused. Yeah, I gotta get up and get out and get it. Half of these niggas say they in it, but never with it. When it comes to me, homie, you know I'm about my business. Stayed on that interstate trying to really get on my feet quick. It wasn't no secret. A lot of y'all was sleep quick. Deep in, y'all don't understand what I've been on. Homeboy, I've been gone. Yeah, I've been on. Any block that I hit before long, I've been on. I've been that dude. I done paid my dues. I refuse to snooze. I don't know how you make moves. I ain't worried about no other. I got my own problems, 99 and a ain't one. I'm still trying to get money and the day ain't done. I'm still out here on the block, yeah, they ain't there. I already know the game, can't play it fair. It's an eye for an eye whenever you're out here, you know? Yeah, dealing with different emotions. Every day that you wake up, you gotta stay focused. Motherfuckers out here, they'll turn you ferocious. Only thing that you trying to do is really stay focused. Yeah, dealing with different emotions. Every day that you wake up, you gotta stay focused. Motherfuckers out here, they'll turn you ferocious. Only thing you tryna do is really stay focused, yeah. It's kinda hard with these obstacles. Brothers out here thinking they stopping you. Girls out here they plotting too. Wanna get you out the way. Everybody seem like today they got a lot to say, but I'ma still make a way. Change had to break away. Breaking the levee, I don't think that they was ready. Ever since a young nigga in the block, I was heavy. Gotta get this money, you already know. Don't bet against me, don't go against me. I've been out here for real, God is my defense. See, y'all niggas can never stop me. I've been cocky, get away like Daffy. Back with them niggas out there talking where the money at. If you ain't talking about dollars, it ain't making sense. Been out here for real, you know I'm represented by them dead presidents. Blue faces took me to a few places, invaded a few spaces. That's why my flow's outrageous. Yeah, dealing with different emotions. Every day that you wake up, you gotta stay focused. Motherfuckers out here, they'll turn you ferocious. The only thing you tryna do is stay focused. Yeah, dealing with different emotions. Every day that you wake up, you gotta stay focused. Motherfuckers out here, they'll turn you ferocious. Only thing that you tryna do is really stay focused, yeah.